Alright everyone, so it looks like the Galaxy A54's new design just leaked right now. I'm hyped about this. Hopefully you guys are too. I'm going to tell you why in a second. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a great day. If you guys do want to go read this article on your own instead of watching this video, I'll leave the link in the description down below. But it says Samsung Galaxy A54's design revealed through leaked images, and we're going to take a look at those right now. They're right here. I'm going to give you my opinions on them right now. I'm going to tell you what I think about these. I'm going to tell you about why I'm kind of excited about this design as well. And I'm pretty sure you guys can, guess already. But let's go through this article and take a look at what else we have inside of here. It says the Samsung Galaxy A53 was unveiled in March this year, but its successor, the Galaxy A54, is expected to arrive earlier, probably sometime in January 2023 instead of March. If they do that, beautiful. I'd love to see it. There's no word from Samsung about the Galaxy A54 yet, but thanks to OnLeaks, we now know what the smartphone will look like. So we have an official release, an official leak of what this device will look like, and I'm super hyped about this. It says the Samsung Galaxy A54 looks similar to the A53 from the front, as it's built around a centered punch hole display which measures 6.4 inches diagonally, making it 0.1 inches smaller than the A53 screen. Although it has the same refresh rate, which is 120 Hz, and resolution Full HD Plus as the Galaxy A53, around the back, the Samsung Galaxy A54 sports 3 cameras instead of 4 like the Galaxy A53. These protrude from the flat panel since they aren't housed inside a camera island like the A53's shooters. Now, if we're taking a look at the phone on the screen, first and foremost, this color is sexy. Baby blue has to be my favorite color, or turquoise has to be my favorite color of all time. Very, very sexy looking color right here. If they come out with this color, this is the one I'm going to get for sure. But the reason why I'm so excited about this has to be because of the cases, or the case possibilities that we're going to be able to have on the Galaxy A54. Now, as you guys know, we are going to have probably 3 different colors, and some don't really like the phone colors or the default phone colors that come with the phones from the Galaxy A line. So I'm sure we're going to have some beautiful cases made from not just Samsung, but other third-party companies to literally just go over those camera bumps. So since we don't have an island like it said before, the back of the phone, I know this isn't a huge deal to most people. I know most people don't care. But I think it's going to be really cool to have just your camera bumps coming out of your phone, out of the back of your phone, and you don't know what color it is. And you can have multiple color cases, and it doesn't have to show the entire module. It actually just shows the camera, and it hides the color of the phone, and you guys can have kind of like a new color the entire time. Or, it gives us possibilities to finally have a skin for an A series line. I hope Slick Wraps or another company does something for this, because it's so easy to do this now. But I think it looks good. I think the color of the phone looks good. If they come out with that color, that looks sexy. Very reminiscent of the S22. I think it's a little more looking like an iPhone now. I don't know. It feels like it's a little more curved in my eyes than the Galaxy A53 was. Let me know what you guys think. But it says the Galaxy A53's rear camera setup was headlined by a 64 megapixel unit, but the Galaxy A54 is rumored to feature a 50 megapixel primary. The Samsung Galaxy A54 has a USB-C port at the bottom, flanked by a speaker grill and primary microphone. At the top is the SIM card slot with another microphone, while the smartphone's right side frame houses the volume rocker and power button. The power button doesn't appear to have the fingerprint scanner embedded, so chances are we'll get an in-display solution like the Galaxy A53, which means the A54 will pack an AMOLED screen, so that's great to see. At 8.2 millimeters, the Samsung Galaxy A54 is 0.1 millimeter thicker than the A53, but that also means a bigger battery, since previous rumors claim the Galaxy A54 would come with a 5100 mAh battery compared to last year's A53 that had a 5000 mAh battery. So that would be nice as well. That would be cool. It says the Samsung Galaxy A54 has already bagged 3C certification, and we should hear more about it in the coming weeks as we inch closer to its expected launch, since we are almost done with November here and cycling into December, and we should have this in mid to late January. So I'm super hyped about this. We're going to be getting more information on this channel. Some other things I would like to see on this phone, obviously would love to see stereo speakers on this. and some good ones at that. Also would like to see a better in-display fingerprint sensor. I don't think it was that bad last time, but I think having a really quick one in this would be great. And 4 more security updates as well, since the A53 had that. Hopefully we release with Android 13 as well. That would be beautiful out of the box. But again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think this just has so many different abilities to have some really cool case designs and maybe skins and stuff like that. I don't know, maybe I'm too overhyped about this, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.